Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to divide a whole number by a fraction. Now we have 8 divided by 4/7, or you can say, how many 4/7 can we find in 8? For you to find out, you have to write this 8 as a fraction. 8 is the same thing as 8 over 1. You write division again, then you write 4/7. Alright? Now, the fraction at the left is 8 over 1. You have to write it again without changing anything. Then you change this division to multiplication. Then you flip 4 over 7. When you flip 4 over 7, 7 will go up and become the numerator. 4 will come down and become the denominator. So you will have 7 over 4. Alright? Now, apart from 1, there is no number that can divide both 8 and 1. Apart from 1, there is no number that can divide both 7 and 4. Check the diagonals. Apart from 1, there is no number that can divide both 1 and 7. Okay? Check the second diagonal. Apart from 1, there is a number that can divide both 8 and 4. 2 can divide the both of them. Even 4 can divide the both of them. I'll be using the bigger number, which is 4. So we are dividing by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Multiply the numerators that are left. So you do 2 times 7. That gives you 14. Over. Multiply the denominators that are left. You do 1 times 1. That gives you what? 1. Now what is 14 divided by 1? That will give you 14. So the answer becomes 14. Let's look at the next one. We have 4 divided by 3/4. Or you can say, how many 3/4 can we find in 4? For you to find out, you have to write this 4 as a fraction. 4 is the same thing as 4 over 1, right? You write division again, then you write 3 over 4 again. Now, the fraction at the left is 4 over 1. You have to write it again without changing anything. Change this division to multiplication, alright, and then you flip 3 over 4. When you flip 3 over 4, 4 will go up and become the numerator, over, then 3 will come down and become the denominator. So you are going to have 4 over 3, alright. Now, apart from 1, there is no number that can divide both 4 and 1. Apart from 1, there is no number that can divide both 4 and 3. Check the diagonal. Apart from 1, there is no number that can divide both 1 and 4. Check the second diagonal. Apart from 1, there is no number that can divide both 4 and 3. So what you do is you multiply the numerators. 4 times 4 is 16. Over, multiply the denominators. So you do 1 times 3, and that gives you 3. Now you can't stop here because 3 is carrying a bigger number, so you have to write 16 over 3 as a mixed number. So you draw your division symbol, then inside you put 16, then you put 3 here. How many times can 3 go into 16? It will go 5 times. You write it. 5 times 3 is 15. Then when you subtract, 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now this remainder that I circled will become the numerator over the denominator in this improper fraction, which is what? 3. Okay? So the final answer becomes 5 whole number 1 over 3. Here we've come to the end of this video. If you love my video, do well to hit the subscribe button. Have a great day.